What do you think are the possible outcomes for these negotiations? What are these guys talking about, basically?
I think what we are at a stage where we need to have a transitional government. If you look at the average man in the streets, for the last 37 years, they've known Robert Mugabe as the only president. So it seems everyone is happy about the sort of a transitional government. But it seems that then there is a challenge in how to do it constitutional, because constitutionally, what as the army is saying, Robert Mugabe is still the commander of the army. So it gives rise to a challenge where Robert Mugabe is now supposed to voluntarily resign or something like that. If he chooses not to resign, then there will be some challenges, and the other option is probably to go through impeachment via parliament. And then again, if we are talking about those issues, then it means that probably the Speaker of Parliament or someone else will be taking over power until maybe elections are sorted out. And then there have been a lot of rumors about a unity government that is being tabled. And I think the unity government could be a good thing, but again, then it comes back to the constitution, that maybe we have to say this constitution has been temporarily suspended or something like that. So I think, but at the end of the day, it seems that there is sort of a stalemate. Probably the only way out is that both parties have to reach some sort of a consensus.